pretty nicely, I guess. Even though we both made a little bit of mistake by going so hard on Shen, or not Shen, but Nautilus. So she's now roaming bottom, and she's probably going to pick up a kill or two. So I noticed that Nautilus is there, so I'm just gonna smite the ghost and move towards their team, hoping to make a play happen. So I'm not really sure if we should be going in, but we're 4 against 3, so that should be fine. And he's going to die. And I'm just going to call Baron as that's our best chance right now, I guess. Fuck! They steal it.